Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create avatar on the Instagram. So before that, this feature is not available for all the users, but now anyone can create avatar on the Instagram. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, to create avatar on the Instagram, you have to open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, here you will see profile icon on the right bottom, so you have to click on it. Once you will do it, you are in your profile now, so you have to click on the three lines on the right top. Once you will do it, now from here you have to click on the settings. Here you will see different options, so you have to click on the account, and here you will see different option. Now you have to click on the avatars and you will see this type of the screen, a new way to be you on Instagram. So just click on the get started. Now you have to select your skin tone. So let's suppose I select this, and once you will select your skin tone, click on the next, and from here you have to select your hairstyle. I select this one. Once you will do it, now you have to go to the colors, hair color, select your hair color. Then here you will see face shape, select your face shape from here. Moreover, if you don't want to customize by yourself, you just click here and click your picture. It will automatically create your own avatar according to your face shape, color, etc. And then click on the done, and now click on the save changes and click on the next. Once you will do it, your avatar is created now. So this is the procedure to create your avatar on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.